Write the equation of a circle with the center at 5, -1 and plane with it 3, 0.
So center is h comma k. The point is x and y. Let's write out the formula. X minus h all squared plus y minus k all squared is r squared. And just like on the notes, r will be the only thing that's going to involve some work. So we have, my h is 5. So is it x plus 5 or minus 5? Minus 5, all squared. What about the y part? Plus the 1 all squared. So then let's go ahead and graph our center and the point. So my center is at 5, -1. So 5, -1 somewhere over here. And the point is at 3, 0. 3, 0. And then I want to make my right triangle. Okay, let's go ahead and make that big right here. What was the horizontal distance from 3 to 5? 2. What's the vertical distance? 1. And if I do Pythagorean theorem to find the r, we're going to get 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is what? 4, and then together is? So we have 5 is equal to r squared. Do I need to square root this? The formula says r squared, right? Just put the 5 on there. Done. If you have to square it at some point anyways, there's no point of square rooting it. All right, next one. Okay, our number is number 12. Okay, on number 12, how many parts do I have on the answers? Huh? 2 different parts. So let's see if y'all remember. Was this topic 11.6 or 11.7? 11.6 was angles. 11.7. This was where, if you miss a toilet, right? So the angle. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you did not watch the video. That's on you. So this one is going to be, is this like PP or ow ow? Ow ow, thank you.
Wait, what? What are you talking
Guess you didn't watch the video.
That's not my problem. I'm going to move on. This is a review. O stands for the outside. So I think I want to go ahead and highlight the outside pieces first. So my outside in my segment AB is Y. And W stands for the whole thing. So we have 2Y plus the Y, 2Y plus the Y. And on the bottom, outside is number 3. Together is 13 plus 3. And yes, you can combine them already if you want to. So we have y times, wouldn't that be 3y? Let's do this in one go. What is 13 plus 3?
16.
What is 16 times 3?
48.
48, very good. If you need to work on the side, please do so. And then I have, when I multiply these, we get 3y squared is 48. And then what do I divide it by on both sides? 3 again. So we have y squared is equal to 16. That's a clean number. What is my y then? 4. And then I need to find AB. So if I know y is 4, 2y is 8. Together must be how many? 12. (14) and 15 next. Okay, Hannah, let's read number 14, please.
Find the length of an arc of a circle with a radius of 9 feet and a degree measure of 120 degrees.
So we're looking at a proportion. First of all, if I have 120 degrees, what has to go on the bottom as full degree? 360. And we're looking at a length. If I'm looking at a length, is it circumference or the area? Circumference, that's going to go on the bottom. 2 pi r, and we're looking for the arc length. But we already know the radius is how many? 9. Now, before I plug that in, can we go ahead and compute this? 1/3 is equal to x over 2 pi the 9. And then when I cross multiply, we get 3x. Is that 18 pi? And then when you divide it by 3, what is 18 divided by 3? And I'm not messing with the pi, so leave it in terms of pi. Okay, for number 15. Jaden, let's read.
Find the degree measure of an arc that has as its length 2 pi inches and a radius of 4 inches.
So they're asking us the degree, so that's going to be x over 360. And again, we're looking at the length. So we have 2 pi r. The arc length is 2 pi. Okay, what is unique about the right side that I can do?
Cancel out.
I can cross out the 2 and the x. So if I were to rewrite the remaining, we have x over 360 is equal to 1 over r. Oh, we know the r, right? No, we're looking for the r? Oh, the r is 4. Completely forgot about that. Sadness. Cross multiply, 4x is equal to 360. So how many is my x? And that was a measure of the arc, 90 degrees.